Tap to equip the magical item.
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Unable to download, please ask Dad or Mom for help.
This is kindergarten!
It's snack time! Let's snack together! It's time for a snack! None of you are picky eaters. You're good kids. Now it's time to make a craft. Let's make a little windmill. Hooray! Handcrafting time. First, cut out the decorative border for the paper cup. Spread out the paper cup. Paint the cup with a pretty color. colors you painted are so pretty. Use a small thumbtack to secure the wind at last. Finish it with a straw. Awesome! What a beautiful windmill you've made. School is out. Get on the baby bus and go home now. Take care on your way home, everyone. Goodbye. Miss Maymay, goodbye.
Baby bus, go! Send the kids home safely one by one.
Bye, baby bus.
Bye, kids. I'll pick you up tomorrow.
School bus. Let's go pick up the kids and send them to the kindergarten. You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Hello, baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus. Please choose a seat.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go!
Which path do you want to take? Tap to equip the magical item. Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. Welcome! You can get a gift when you finish shopping. This is not what I want. This is not what I want. Put the items here. Put the money into the coin slot. I bought everything I need. Thank you. bus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Please choose a seat.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the photo studio. Let's go. Stop at a red light. Go at a green light.
Let's go take a photo. Welcome. Could you take a picture of me, please? Okay. What kind of photo do you want? Photo for kindergarten admission. Portrait photo. Portrait photo. All right. Let's go change clothes first. There's lots of pretty clothes. Which one should I wear?
Your internet isn't working properly. Please ask Dad or Mom for help.
Tap the camera to take a picture. What a nice picture! Thanks! Wow! These clothes are so cool! Try them on for me! Tap the camera to take a... That's a nice shot! Thanks!
Hello, baby bus. Hello, please get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go! This is kindergarten.
This is the classroom. We'll have lessons in here. Let's introduce ourselves. I'm your teacher, Miss Maymay. I'm Kiki.
My name is Mew Mew.
My name is Hank.
I'm Lulu.
Kiki, Mew Mew, Hank, and Lulu. Now that you've gotten to know each other, so you're friends now. Now, let's decorate our classroom. Hang your favorite picture on the wall. Wow, nice pictures. The classroom looks beautiful now. It's snack time. Let's snack together. It's time for a snack.